Guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to tie a very simple Gele style for church. A style that you can tie within 5 minutes. So without further rumbling, all I need is my Gele. I have my Gele and some office pin. So when you see me looking at this position, I have my mirror here. So I'm looking at my mirror while tying the Gele. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to divide our Gele into two, like equal to 50-50, just like this. Then you secure the middle. You grab your middle this way and make some pleats. You make like 4 or 5 pleats. I have 3 already, 4, and the 5th pleat. So I have my pleat already. The next thing to do is to place this pleat on your head from the back. You place it on your head from the back, just like this. It's already at the back. So I will go ahead and secure the 2 ends, as you can see. So the next thing is to grab one of the hand and extend my pleat to the front. Can you see the way I'm extending my pleat? Look at this hand. See the way I'm extending my pleat to the front. So the pleat that I've already arranged from the back, I'm just using this hand to bring it forward and secure. And make sure it's covering your ears. You can even take out your earring for a start. So I have my pleat already. I will secure everything. Then come back to this side. I'll grab the first pleat. Okay, so I have my pleat already, as you can see. So the next thing to do is to make a twist in front, just like this. Can you see the way I'm crossing my hand? I just make a twist. That is 1. I make another one. That is 2. So I have, can you see what we have now? So I make 2 twists at the middle. Then after making that twist, I can secure this flap. I'll just put it under my armpit. Then get the lower part and secure it with office pin here. I'll secure it with an office pin. Can you see? This one is secured. So the next thing to do is to open the Gele like this. You open it, then this flap, just tuck it in. You tuck everything in. Then you also grab the second flap and do the same thing. From the middle, you just tuck it in. So after tucking in, this is what you will have. This is what you will have, but we are not done. So you get a pin. Then at the middle here, make sure you close it. Make sure you close this middle with your office pin. Or if you don't want it closed, if you want your hair or your weave on to come out, then you bring it out from this middle. But I want mine closed because I don't have any hair done. So just go ahead and just make sure I close the middle. So as you can see, everything is closed. Then if you want it covered, you can leave it this way. Like if you don't want your edges out, you can leave it this way, or you shift it to the back just to make it a little bit relaxed. Can you see? And there we have our 5 minutes Gele This gele will suit, maybe you have a kaftan on, like a boo-boo. It will look so sweet, and it's so simple to tie. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. You can tie it on your own if you don't have anyone to help you. It's so easy and beautiful, especially on kaftan or on a boo-boo. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on my channel.